This video is about how to create a WhatsApp account. Now, after launching your WhatsApp app, you need to tap this button to agree to the terms of service. Then select your country and enter your phone number. The next thing is to confirm your phone number. Then wait for WhatsApp to verify your phone number through a code. And after that, you can upload a profile photo and enter your name, and your WhatsApp account will be ready. And after creating your WhatsApp account, you can go on to check your contacts who are on WhatsApp, or even invite your friends. And you can text or video call people on WhatsApp, and even use the WhatsApp camera and post your statuses. And if you tap these three dots, you can explore all these features, including creating groups and broadcasts. And if you go to settings, you can edit your profile and access these other features like personalizing your chats and performing chat backup. And on this account section, you can make your privacy and security settings, and also perform other tasks like the two-step authentication and changing your phone number. And you can always search for something on WhatsApp above here. And to delete your WhatsApp account, you need to go to settings, then account, and go on to delete your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.